IIT JEE bridge course, where last class we have did some fundamental of integration. Now continuation with the application of that is comes under area under the curve. See, suppose this is a curve, y is a function of x, and this is an x-axis. Now I want to find the area irregular, this area under this curve. I want to find out this area, this entire area between the range x equal to a and x equal to b. That means there is one pillar. This is a pillar at x equal to a, this is pillar at x equal to b, right? This is y of b, this is y of a. This is called ordinate, pillar or ordinate we call. This is an y-axis, origin. Now what I do is, see, consider any y, this is y. Consider any ordinate, and around a particular point, some x, some point x, around that, see, this is x, some particular x from origin. Around this, you consider a small length, dx is the small length, and this is the length, this is the height, or length and height and base and height. This is, find out this area of the rectangle. What is the area of the rectangle? Length into breadth. This is a small area. What is called? A small area is equal to length into breadth is a small area. Then I am adding all the area of this strip from this point to this point. That means adding all the small area from the point what x equal to a and x equal to b. This is called total area. This is called total area. What is the total area? This is the total area of the curve. That is equal to, this is understood, a to b. This we call lower limit, this is called upper limit. dA is equal to what? Y dx. Now hereafter I am going to write area of the curve between the two pillars, that means two ordinate, right, is equal to a to b y dx. Understood? Directly I will jump into the formula. See, some textbook they write it is this is the area. X is what? Varies from what? X varies from a to b. Now the one sum first type. There are different type are there. First type is what? X-axis and curve. Y is equal to function of x is the curve. The curve is cutting at 2 point, right? Normally they will give the 2 point between, suppose x equal to 0 and x equal to say 1, between those 2 points. Find the area of the curve. The function y is equal to function of x. What is the value of y? Y is equal to the given x square by x square plus 1. They are given. Then how to find out the area? Area is equal to integral of, here what, x equal to a and x equal to b, isn't it? Therefore a to b y dx. You need not write this integration of a is, in place of a you write 0, in place of b 1, y you write y dx. Okay. Now area is equal to, area is equal to integral of 0 to 1. In place of y, what you write? This, write this function. Y is what? X square plus 1 dx. Now the question is how to solve this problem. How to solve this problem? See now you have to solve the problem 0 to 1 x square dx by x square plus 1. See, we don't know any formula. Suddenly how to do this? It's difficult. Therefore, every problem you are learning on methods. See here, numerator and denominator, this is called powers are same, therefore divide it. One method is what? Ordinary divisions, that is x square, here what? X square plus 1, right? Take this one time. If you put 1, that means x square by x square is equal to 1. This is a high school method. X square, you will get x square, again plus 1 you will get, then change the sign, then what do you get? Cancel, minus 1. Therefore what? x square by x square plus 1 is equal to 1 minus, see 1 minus 1 by denominator. What is that? This is the divisor, x plus 1. Therefore, this r other method is also there. X square by x square plus 1. Here, whatever the number you add and subtract. I add and subtract. If I add and subtract, what will get? X square plus 1 minus 1 by x square plus 1. I got it. Then split the LCM. 1 by x square plus 1. Get cancelled. 1 minus 1 by x square plus 1. The other method of division also you can do it. Okay, now I did it here. Don't bother about this at present. Therefore, integration of, consider this one. What do you get? 1 minus 1 by 1 plus x square dx. See, now integrating this is easy. If you integrate this, what? Integration of dx is easy. Minus integration of dx by 1 plus x square. Now here what? 0 to 1. This part I will do it of x. Integration of dx is x. 0 and 1. What you get? You get 1 minus 0. Therefore, this part is 1. This I have done. But how to do this? Now you remember one formula. You know that, I'll write it. There is a formula, because a square plus x square is equal to what? 1 by a tan inverse x by a. This is the formula. Right? This is the formula. In place of that, here integration of 1. Integration of dx by 1 is what? 1 square plus x square, isn't it? Therefore, in place of 1 you got 1 by 1 tan inverse x by 1. That was what? Tan inverse x plus c. Therefore, what I do is, here this integration. Therefore, now I am applying this one. Therefore, I get 1 minus integration of dx by x square is what? I get this answer. Tan inverse x. Again what? 0 to 1. Then 1 minus. Apply the upper limit. Tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse 0. Now again, this formula. Tan 45 is what? 1 or tan pi by 4 is what? 1. Therefore, 45 degrees is equal to what? Tan inverse 1. Is it not? That means 45 pi by 4 is equal to tan inverse 1. Therefore, pi by 4 and similarly tan 0. 0 or 0 is equal to tan inverse 0. All these things you have learned. You are supposed to know this is 1 minus. This tan inverse is what? Pi by 4. Correct? Pi by 4 minus 0. Therefore, here minus pi by 4. Now in this problem, what are the things you have learnt? What are the things you learnt? Integration of dx by a square plus x square is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a. This is the one formula. In order to remember this, again what? Tan inverse 1 is equal to pi by 4. This, because students, they get stuck up with this. Now if you don't want to forget this, you practice this sums several times. Suppose 3 plus x square. How to do this? Integration of 3 is what? Dx by 3 is what? Root 3 the whole square plus x square. Here what is a? A is what? Root 3. Therefore you will get 1 by root 3 tan inverse x by root 3. Now second sum I do it. So suppose dx by say 5 plus x minus or 1 minus 1 minus x the whole square. How to do this? This is what's linear term, is it not? Therefore, tan in 1 by 5 can be written as root 5 the whole square. Therefore, 1 by root 5 tan inverse in place of x 1 minus x. You understand? In place of x you get 1 minus x divided by root 5. Everybody they'll stop here only. The only one important trick is what? Divided by coefficient of x. This minute detail they won't do it because for every 1,000 student, one student will do it. For every, therefore, the answer for this is what? Minus 1 by root 5 tan inverse 1 minus x by root 5. Look how you are diverting it. And I know you must know how to derive it. You know how to derive this? How you got the formula? Put x equal to a, what is it? A tan theta. This, you start, you best think, and next class will do it. How to get this. Now what is the best method is what? Dx by 2 plus x square. It's dx by 2 plus 3x square. How to do this? This you can do. But this what? Better keep this coefficients here. The two methods are there. One is you can take 3 outside. Dx by 2 by 3 plus x square. Right? This is 1 by 3 dx by root 2 by 3 the whole square plus x square. Then apply the formula. What is this formula? What is that? A is root 3 by 2. Therefore, I write 1 by 3. 1 by a is what? Root 2 by root 3. Tan inverse x divided by root 2 by root 3. Now this goes up. This is 3 can be as root 3 into root 3 get cancelled. Therefore 1 by 3 root 2 tan inverse root 3x by root 2 plus c. This is also possible. Or else what you can do? Other method is there. Other method. See integration of dx by 2 plus 3x square. How will you do this? This also you can do this. Dx by root 2 whole square plus root 3x the whole square. This is a form of again what? Dx by a square plus x square. 1 by a tan inverse x by a. In place of a you got root 2. Therefore 1 by root 2 tan inverse. In place of x you got root 3x divided by root 2 divided by coefficient of x is what? Root 3. This they don't do it. This is the second method. Therefore, I'll write 1 by, see I did a mistake here. Here root 3 actually. Therefore 1 by root 6. So 1 by root 6 will come. Here also what happens? 1 by root 2 root 3 tan inverse root 3x by root 2 or 1 by root 6 tan inverse root 3x by root 2 plus. And some other sums they will give like this 1 and 0 they will give. So 0 to 1 dx by 2 plus root 3x square. How will you do it? Same thing here. You write this one. Here what is it? Tan inverse root 3 by root 2. In place of x you got put 0. Here tan inverse. In place of x again you put 1. Root 3 by 2 root 2. Okay. This becomes 0. Therefore 1 by root 6 minus tan inverse root 3 by root 2. Or the answer is what? 1 by root 6 minus tan inverse root 3 by 2. See all possibilities of this tan inverse. Once you get a particular formula, you start working out all formulas on that. Right? You keep on practicing that. You got a grip on one formula. You have conquered a formula. That is important. Right? So it's very difficult to remember all the formulas in integration. But like a language, once you get the particular formula, be thorough several times so that you should not forget again. Now here in this chapter, this year what you learned? You learned the concept. Your concept of, what is that, area. I learned the concept of area you have done here. Is it not? Concept of area. And the first type we have done. Okay. See now another second problem. Suppose find the area enclosed by a curve. Suppose a curve is what? X cube minus 3x minus 3. This is the curve. Find the area enclosed by the curve. This is the curve. And x-axis. X-axis. Okay. And cutting the x-axis at 2 points, x equal to minus 1 and x equal to 2. Now it is easy to do it. What is the area? Required area is what? Minus 1 to plus 2 y dx. Y you substitute here. A is equal to minus 1 to plus 2. Y is what? X cube minus 3x minus 3 and dx. By the time now you know very well how to do all this integration. Would have practiced from your college or your with your friends or some textbook would have done. But I am going to do directly, right? That is x to the power of 4 by 4, correct? Then plus 1 and plus 1. This is minus 3. Integration of x is what? X square by 2. Minus c. Integration of 3 dx means what? 3 comes out dx. Integration of dx is what? X. Therefore 3x. This is minus 1 and plus 2. Substitute here upper limit 2 to the power of 4 by 4 minus 3 into 2 to the power of 2 by 2 minus 3 into 2. This is upper limit minus lower limit minus 1 to the power of 4 by 4 minus 3 into minus 1 to the square by 2 plus 3 into minus 1. Now here only the simplification, because 60% of the student they go wrong in calculation, because minus into plus, plus into minus. They know how to do this, sir. This they won't be. This is the problem. They think it is easy, but here only almost you go wrong here. See whether you know what, this you can do it of 2 to the power of 4 is what? 2 to the power of 2 into 2 into 2 like this, right? It was a 16, is it not? 16 by 4, 4 you get it. Understood? This goes off 4 minus 6 minus 6, this portion. Minus odd or even, therefore this 1 by 4. Here also even. 3 by 2 plus 3 minus minus plus 3. Right? 4 minus 12. How much you get? Minus 8. This is minus 8. Minus, here how to do this? You can remove. This is what? Minus 8. Minus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 2. Minus 3. This you simplify. Minus 8 minus 3 is what? Minus 11. Minus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 2. I need not teach you all these things, right? Whatever it comes, just you do it. Simple. Okay. Then find out the, out of 4 choice, you mark the right one. See, second type is, they don't give the point, find the area of the curve and x-axis. Curve bind the curve and the curve cuts the x-axis at 2 points. That is, the curve is given y is equal to x square minus 7x plus 10 they given. Now you have to find this area. Since it cuts the x-axis, at this point is what? Y equal to 0, is it not? Put y equal to 0 here. 0 is equal to x square minus 7x plus 10. Then you know how to factorize it. That is x square. See, 10 can be written as what? 5 into 2, 10. Minus 5 minus 2 minus 7. Therefore, x square minus 5x minus 2x plus 10. 0 is equal to x minus 5. Minus 2 you take common factor here, x minus 5 minus 2. X minus 5 is the common factor. X minus 5, x minus 2 equal to 0, or x minus 5 equal to 0, or x minus 2 equal to 0, or x equal to 5, or x equal to 2. That means your required area is what? What is required area? Required area is equal to from 2 to 5 y dx, or 2 to 5 in place of y what you got? X square minus 7x plus 10 dx. The only technique you have to learn is what? Concept is this. This is the concept. When the curve cuts the x-axis, put y equal to 0. Then remaining and all only practice. I think what, how to do this? X cube by 3, you know, integration, minus 7 x square by 2 plus 10x. 2 and 5 upper limit. Then I will substitute. I am not going to work it out. Just I will substitute 5 cube by 3 minus 7 into 5 square by 2 dot, right, plus 10 into 5 minus 2 cube by 3 minus 7 into 2 square by 2 plus 10 into 2. This I need not teach you, right? You know how to get it. You try. I don't know whether you get 4 by 3 was the correct answer. Long back I worked it out. Or I don't know, this is the correct. No, I don't think so. This is the correct answer. Therefore, just work it out. Oh, I don't know, 3.6. I got something 3.6 or something. I don't remember exactly. You know the method, right? See, now the another sum I'll give. Find the area bounded by the curve, that is 4y is equal to 4x minus x square minus 3 under the x-axis. How to do this? You have to find the area. Then what? Since it cuts the y-axis, put y equal to 0. Therefore what? 4x minus x square minus 3 equal to 0 is substitute. What? You know how to factorize it? X minus 3, x minus 1 equal to 0. Just I am telling the method. Therefore, you will get the required area is what? Y dx 1 to 3 or 1 to 3 is equal to wherever y, they replace this dx. And I already worked out this formula. No, you get whatever the thing you get. This is what? 4x square by 2 minus x cube by 3 minus 3x. Upper limit 3, lower limit is 1. Then you know how to do this. So much square unit. Plus or minus, even if you get minus, you write plus. Square unit is the correct answer. Okay. Anyway, next, another two types will be there. Area between the two curves, right? That I will do in the next class. Please go through all the textbook, your school or college teachers' notes, and verify, and go to the old question papers, and whatever the doubts you can come and ask any one of the teachers in our lecturers in our college. They will be helpful, or you can send through the email or WhatsApp. People will be always ready to help you in all time. Okay. Thank you.